Want to master anime character design for free? This course is your first step on the journey to anime character design art learning pathway. Brushcamp offers tons of similar courses in illustration, 2D, 3D design. Level up your creativity with free knowledge and courses. Visit brushcamp.com today and explore endless possibilities. Welcome to the final lesson. We've come to the end, so that you can prepare to enter the new stage of composing your own paintings. Then this is a lesson where you will use all the knowledge that you have learned, that I have guided you to apply in the drawing process, how thoroughly you have to use it, or how the sequence of drawing steps is effective. I will practice it for you to see, and you can imagine your route to drawing an anime picture. You have to determine what the idea you want to draw. It's very important how you form the story in your head, or how you want to express it. If you can't figure it out, you should still write in bullet points the features you want to draw. If you want to draw a female student, you will write as a female student. Or if you want to draw a maid, you can write down as a maid. Write the color tone, bright or crying, or whatever. Please write it down. Then you will be able to stick to what you need to draw. And your finished paintings will be more like your ideas. After you have this idea, you will proceed to draw on this small size. You try sketching. You can sketch on a big background, but you can try sketching, and then choose a sketch that you like the most. For example, now I want like that. You will sketch like this. You just sketch on a small size too, if you feel like which sketch you like better. You can note that sketch and draw it. For example, now I will sketch out a keyword that I like. For example, a female student. I'm drawing. The thing that you sketch out like this will save more time. It's better that you decide to draw it officially, then you have to draw a lot. And then you decide to delete it. For example, I already have this sketch. A young girl is holding a book and looking at it. But I want to add another style. You're really confused between two layouts, and you don't know which one to choose. Just keep drawing. And this will be the window box. This is a wet, rainy road. On a bus ride or flowers like this. And you will easily choose one or two of these sketches. And then you will draw the details. Now I will proceed to sketch a big picture for you to see. Please like and subscribe to our channel.